shake a bell. Make a shot. Word of might be heard. For 100 the voice of the bell should be thread with gold and succeeded with silver and the force and the great lips of which should be graven with blessed saying from the side skirt. It should be suspended in the century of the imperial capital to sound through all the manicular ways of the city. From the mighty young years, the sunlight stage. The sublime teacher, the celestial and august sorcery is called me. The Kuan Yin, Cristo has betrayed the trust he have with virtue to place the intrigue. It proclaimed a third time fulfilling our command. They had soul disordered from neck, tremble and obey.
For thy sake, O my Father, I love my brother.
Salita na bago ikat! Dali na!
Let's try another. Ulay! Let's try the bell. Let's try a bell.
Let's ride the bell! Aba, Selby! Meron palang king na nakabag! Wow! Nakas pa paa! Sarap ng buhay. Hoy! Ano ka na yan? Hindi alam. Hindi alam nila. Director mo lang ang ginagawa ng kanyo ka na. Ang director mo ng kwenta. Ayaw yung mga ayaw. Ayaw? Eh dahil sa akin kaya ayaw. Ano sabihin yan? Hoy, baka bumasa ako. Patakin kayo ng bell. Oy, mabigat dyan. Pag nataktakan na paan yun, bukang niya, patayan lahat. Ilapit mo kay Shade, ilapit mo. Yan. Gagawin natin yan dito. Shade! Makinig ka naman! Bobo, walang kwenta. Pinagatukan ng artistan si Shade. Hoy, ang bell!